Greetings.
What going on, General?
There.
All is good?
Yeah, man.
I check in on my boss, man.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, help you with that. Yeah.
Give me a minute, them soon come talk, yeah?
So, all is well?
Better than well, King. All is great.
Ah, that's what we want to hear.
Respect for the investment, nothing. They set up right where I know.
So, yeah, get the support from the community?
Yeah, man, my General, the place a buzz right now. Have an event almost every night.
Proper. That means there is employment for some of the youth them in the community, don't?
Yeah, man, my General, man. Because the sound system and the DJ, same place where them come from, you see me? The bartender, same place where the community them come from. Even the man them clean up and pack up after the event, same place where them come from, my General.
It's a joy for you. And really, I look forward to a healthy business relationship. And I think my request is an unreasonable one. All you need to do, just continue to engage the youth them in the community as you've been doing.
Well, I'm a General, that's the dream from day one. But you don't know, we never have capital to kick it off. Right now, you want to make it possible.
See there. I just want you to understand, sir. You see the power of change in our hands. And you see, as long as we can empower the youth them in the community, that is making a positive difference. You over it?
Power talk, that's not my General. By the way, you drink something?
And a cold dragon now, that rare. Why you do that? I can ask you something. You know the last time I fought down here, there was an argument that swirled around. Say 4 ladies get kidnapped. Any credibility to that story?
Yeah, man, my General, you know, say, a 4 females go missing still.
Yeah.
And they are trying to keep up on a hush. But you don't know what they need, they just get a fight and just push it out to the world.
So, only you hear nothing about them?
Alright, I tell the General, God is good enough. God him find them, you know.
For real? Safe and not? Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, my General, them good man. A little scrape up, a little bruise, but you know, them good man. And as a matter of fact, people rescue them. Come check upon them tomorrow.
Yeah? You know, me really need to meet them though.
Yeah, man, my General, man, just forward tomorrow, man. Them out there, man.
Alright.
You know, forward me, man. When you check out, I go and run on the page or so, you see me?
Yeah, man, that's a 40.
What go on, man? Yeah, man. So, King, gear from Stone. No? Alright, fine. So I'm still a talking. What that mean? No, brother. You don't want this thing to continue. I know, but one day, me and Stone buck up, one on one. You know, sir, it's a 8 night that you not have to go keep. Well, here, our brother, fix it, and then make the thing get complicated no more. Because, hold on, King. King, let me call you back now. Alright? Cool. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Raymond. How are you?